Hello everybody, Audrey here. Today we are making a tasty finger food, a delicious breakfast, and a savory snack. Here comes the garlic shrimp bread, crunchy bread with tender shrimp and the sweet corn. This is perfect. Have 5 slices of bread and a cut of the crust. We will make a delicious side dish at the end. Make sure you save some. Then slice the bread into 4 small squares. Use a food processor to chop 150 grams of shrimp. Simply marinate the shrimp with cooking wine, cornstarch, salt and pepper, and 1 egg white. Mix it well, then add the 30 grams of sweet corn. Now we have everything we need, bread and the shrimp filling. Let's make a small shrimp sandwich. 1 layer of bread, some shrimp filling, and another layer of bread on top. Gently press the bread to let it stick with the filling. Use a knife to smooth the edge and add some filling if needed. We can make about 10 little sandwiches in total. Next, we need to prepare some garlic sauce. It is a mixture of butter, minced garlic, and minced green onion. Here I want to show you how to get minced green onion. Make a 45-degree angle between the green onion and the knife. Then cut but do not cut through the green onion. Complete it for the whole green onion, then flip it over and do the same thing. Doing this cutting before chopping will get us nicely minced green onion. I learned this technique from Masa. Masa has many delicious Japanese cuisine on his channel. You can check it out if you are interested. Mix green onion with 50 grams of melted butter and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Put the sauce right on top of the bread. It's like making garlic bread. Bake at 320 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Do the same for the crust, then we are getting garlic stick. Thanks for watching. Hope this dish delights your weekend. This is Audrey. See you next time.